Hey you, yeah, you. Good morning or hello, bello. Before you watch my English tutorials, you should know something about me. At first, about my person. I am Dono from German pen spinning community. My English is very bad, but I want to be better in English. So that's why I say now, sorry for my English, I hope you can understand it. And now I say, laughing aloud. Yeah, laughing, huh. I do pen spinning since December 2006, and I'm not very well in pen spinning. My favorite pen spinner is Leo from Hong Kong, and my favorite pen is at the moment Flexible MX, it's this one, and Metal SSR. Now let's look at how I will make the sound tutorials. I know there are many other English sound tutorials, like from ESO, he's very great, but I want to speak more in English and I want to make pen spinning more public, so I want to practice my English, yeah. So that's why I do pen spinning tutorials in English. My tutorials are built with a speaking part, yeah, I will speak, and then a part with slow motion, like yeah. Okay. In slow motion you can follow my fingers and the pen and so on. Yeah. I will add a playlist into my YouTube channel for the English tutorials. In this playlist I will order the sound tutorials how I think that the order is okay. You will see soon that other pen spinners don't agree with my order, but I choose this order from my experience with pen spinning. You don't have to learn it in this order, but you should really do the basic tricks because these basic tricks are fundamental for the advanced tricks. I will list the fundamental tricks, the basics in my next video. By the way, my cam here is on my shoulder and with no glue, only the gravity, yeah? So, okay, I think that's all. I told you something about me, something about my tutorials, something about my funny English. Have fun when you watch my videos, and especially have fun with the awesome sports or hobby pen spinning. So, bye everyone, or in German, langsam sinkt das Segelschiff, doch ich bleibe über Wasser. So, bye bye.